SORKAR July Kabamenta Kalapindu Pandam Yagajesoi Soskular Lanik MoU HALOR UMGOT HYDEL project Namar Jing Persha Nakibabon Balang. Yakani Lapintip the Mintri Katanat boarding James K. Sangma Hagaskin in Kong Matakatayo. James Ulong Bawalada SORKAR Katmu Ban Yachaprang Batkanika project can lay at the Kajia Mirjumut Barkipadba.
UMGOT is not something which we have initiated or we are suddenly going to give the go ahead to some companies to start the project. There is nothing, and I don't know where this apprehension has come about from. What is the genesis of that apprehension? But as I said, if, and there's a big if, we are to go ahead with the UMGOT project, we will definitely be taking all the views and reaching out to stakeholders. We will be discussing this matter with them. There may be some fears which are very genuine, and some fears which need to be addressed. That we will tackle it as when the time comes. But right now, when there is nothing that's moving, I don't know why this apprehension is there that UMGOT is going to go about. Having said that, I think we are facing a lot of shortage in terms of our generation, and we need to ramp up our generation capacity in the state. So maybe from that holistic or the larger point of view of wanting to bring about more generation for our state, maybe people have misread it as UMGOT. But this is not the only project which is there, available to us. We are presently exploring many other renewable projects in terms of solar, and because we have hydro generation which is taking place, we would like to also supplement that with solar, and it's a very symbiotic relationship that will be there with solar and with generation and with hydro and also wind that we are looking at. So all these things we want to combine and bring about a very robust renewable energy foundation for our energy sector in Meghalaya.